guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Sam. Welcome to the Sam fam. As you can see from the title, today we are doing a little hair tutorial, real quick and simple. But before we get started, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. And also comment down below what else you guys want to see from me, because yeah, I'd always love to hear your input. Anyways, as you guys know, I recently got my hair done, or if you didn't know, now you know. I recently got my hair done and the hair was naturally straight. So I wanted to curl it today, and I used a wand to curl it, and I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved this look. But yeah, it's pretty simple and easy, and you know, I'm bored in the house, so I thought, why not do it? So if you guys enjoyed, like I said, please give it a thumbs up, and that's it. I'm not saying much else, so you guys can just watch the video. Oh, and I decided to switch up the scenery. We're in my living room today because, I don't know, I just got bored with the same backgrounds that I've been using for a while. So let me know if you like it, comment down below. All right, bye. What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm gonna use to curl my hair. So I have this Remington curling wand. I got it at Target, I'm pretty sure. I don't even remember, but it's just like, this ain't no special wand, just a regular curling wand. Doesn't need to be anything spectacular. Got this at Target for probably like 20 bucks, I don't know. Remington, it goes up to 410 degrees. So I'm about to turn it on and turn it up to 410. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can't see the screen, but it says 410 on there. And then I'm just gonna section off my hair. I have like a couple hair ties and a clip with me. I'm using a rat tail comb just so that I can like section it off easily, comb through it easily. And then I have a brush too for later to brush out the curls. I can't find my heat protectant, so I don't have that with me, or else I would use that as well. Use heat protectant if you have it. I couldn't find mine, so I'm not using any. Don't mind my little closure right here. It kind of looks a little weird, but I'll have it fixed by the end of this day. By the end of the day. I'll have it fixed before the end of the video, so yeah, I'll be fine. And yeah. Ooh. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off by sectioning it. As you guys know, I just recently got my hair done. If you haven't watched my videos, or if you're new, I just got my hair done a week ago, literally from today. And I did a video on that. If I remember, I'll put a card above so you guys can check it out there. But yeah, so I have a full weave in with a lace closure, and I wanted to curl it. I got straight hair because I missed having straight hair, but I do want to wand curl it too, and see how it looks. I'm gonna actually clip this too because it's kind of in the way. Okay, so see how it already naturally separated right there? That's about how big I want the pieces to be. I need to go grab my mirror because right now I'm just looking in the camera and that's not working, so I'll be right back. Okay. Cool. So if you see me looking down, I'm looking at my mirror. So my wand is ready. I'm just gonna start. Oh, it's kind of, you know, I think I'm gonna plug my wand in over here because it's kind of like, I can't really maneuver it the way I want to. Okay. Ooh. It's pretty hot now. So I'm gonna take this section. Hold on, sorry. All right, so I'm gonna just comb through this section really quick. I have my window open and I live kind of like in a busy area, so sorry if you guys can hear the street too loud. I'm gonna try to put some music in the background to help the sound. But anyways, I'm taking this section, the wand, starting from the top and just wanding, like wrapping it around. I kind of like twist the hair a little bit, but not too much. Ooh. And just hold that there. I usually hold it for like 10 seconds. And voila. That's the curl. Can you guys see it? Trying to use my whole arm as like a backdrop. There you go. Now you can see it. I'm gonna use like hairspray at the very end, but I don't know. I feel like my curls tend to hold when I use, when I have like weave-in, so I'm not tripping off of the curls falling too fast. Plus, I don't really want them to be super tight anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the next section and do it the same way. When I'm on my, this is my left side, so when I'm on my left side, I wrap it like out, and then on my right side, I'll wrap it in. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about when I get on that side. That one could have been held a little bit longer. It's kind of like messed up right there. I'm just fixing the curl right there because it wasn't really spiraled. It's fine, whatever. We'll do better on the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna section this side of the hair. And I'll start with the back section. And see how I'm wrapping it the opposite way? Like coming in. The way the curl dropped, it like twisted up. There we go. I was like, what the heck? Okay. Basically, I'm repeating this process all throughout my head. So I'm not gonna like, hold y'all too long, but I just want to show you a couple of them so you guys get the idea. It's really simple. Ooh. I haven't curled my hair like this in so long, so I'm excited to see how it looks. Oh, that one didn't do too good. This is how I try to fix the curls when I feel like they don't look so good on the bottom or something, and that's better. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep sectioning off my hair and repeat this step throughout. These are the curls that we have so far. And yeah, basically go like track by track. And sometimes I get little thicker sections so that the curls are like kind of different throughout. They're not all the way the same. Like this section is thick. So I'm gonna do smaller sections of it. But it'll be like bigger pieces essentially. Oh, my back is starting to hurt from sitting like this. If you have like long hair, long weave, whatever, you wanna start like really at the top of the barrel or the bottom, however you wanna look at it, so that you have enough room and space for the whole strand of hair to be on the curling iron. Voila. All right, guys, so I'm gonna just keep repeating this. I might come back in a little bit to tell you something else, but we're gonna speed this up. It's getting hot in here. is getting tired. I'm gonna show y'all what the back's looking like so far. Can y'all see any straight pieces that I'm missing? Probably. It's all good. All right, guys, I'm just about done. Here's what they're looking like so far. Ooh, just found a straight piece. Okay. It's crazy because I'm really getting ready to go absolutely nowhere. And right now I look like Shirley Temple, but don't worry guys, we're gonna brush these out once we're finished. So I'm gonna take out the tops. For this top part, it's like I'm not getting super close to the root because I kind of want it to be flatter on the top. So I'm gonna start like right here. I think I'm gonna just do this as one bigger section. Boom. All right. Repeat the same on this side. Last part. What an exciting moment. Bomb. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go grab some hairspray really quick. I'm using actually the Got to Be Glued spray, so it's gonna be very sparingly. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna use the freeze spray. Use at your own risk, because if you know, you know. This is like glue in a bottle. So I'm very lightly. That's it on that side. That's it on that side. And we done. Actually, let me do a little bit on the top. Boom. Now I'm gonna take the curling wand and just press it down right here. So it's flat on the top like I like. All right, now I'm gonna go do my makeup and probably change or something, and then I'll be right back to show you guys how I'm gonna finish off my hair. I'm not gonna touch my hair while I'm doing my makeup. All right guys, I'm back. I just threw on a little bit of makeup, threw on my cousin Alynn's merch tee. All you need, go cop that. I'll put the link in my bio. But I didn't touch my hair while I was doing my makeup. I had pinned with bobby pins, like this part back, but that's it. So now I'm gonna brush out my curls. If you don't wanna brush out your curls, you don't have to brush out your curls. Like, it's cute, I just don't like it like this that much, so I'd rather take a brush. I'm just taking this brush that kind of has like bristles and like the spiky thing. I don't know what to call that, but it's like a mixture brush. And I'm gonna like gently brush through. And I'm putting my hand on the back of it so it keeps everything kind of together. Like that. Do the same thing on this side. and then, you know, over time they will fall. But yeah, that is how I curl my hair. Pretty simple, easy. Let me show you guys up close what it looks like. This is just how I like my curls to be. I actually like them when they're like a day old. So tomorrow they'll probably be even better. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Quick little hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see from me next. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn your post notification bell on so you get notified. Follow me on Insta, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, all of that good stuff. All of it is linked down below. And yeah, stay safe, guys. You know, do some activities in the house so that you don't go crazy. Go on a run, go on a walk. I'm probably gonna do like an at-home workout video soon, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, I will see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah, you ran through my mind. It's like I'm on the freeway. Yeah, baby.